Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 65, Nasdaq's up 2, S&Ps are up 7.5. Gold contract down $5.90, traded at $1,290 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents at $19.44 an ounce. Platinum down 13 at $1,424 an ounce. Copper up 8 pennies at $3.17 a pound. Light sweet crude, look at that, she got some juice in her, up $1.59 at $96.07. Bonds, you have the 10-year down 11 ticks at 125.27. 30-year off 7 at 139.18. King dollar wants to go to the moon. She's up 320 and 48 ticks at 82.28. You get the euro down 58 at 132, and the yen's trading at 103.71. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. Cash S&P right now, we're at 1986.37. The low of the high of the 24th of July is 1985.79. If you want to see something that's just really wild, we'll go over to the SPY. The SPY, folks, okay, is right at the high. It actually tagged it and didn't get a penny over it. Right now, we're at 199.06. It just got over it to 08. We'll see how it's going to handle this price. So the first time that we went up to 199.06, went up there 10 minutes ago when, since 2 o'clock, we have some nice volatility in this marketplace. That's when the Fed minutes come across. First, the SPY got down to 198.22. Then it tagged the 199.06. It just tagged it again. It got to 108. We'll see whether it can hold that price. I suspect we're not going to. The reason being, more so than just looking at the market, is the XLF can't hold price. The XLF right now is up 8 pennies, and the XLE is, let's see, she's up 20 cents. Both of those indices, those sectors, folks, should be up dramatically in order for this S&P to hold it. You do have information technology, which is actually the largest weighting inside the S&P. We'll see how it's going to handle it. We're particularly going to see how the cash is going to handle this. Nasdaq Composite. We go over to the Composite. We take a look at the volume is going to be light once again. Right now, what we've done volume-wise, we're at 341 million. That says it's going to come in about 550 again. Actually, we did 555 yesterday. The way this is shaking out right now, you could do about 525. The juice at the end of the market is a lot. Nasdaq Composite. What we have with the Composite is over the highs. We're at 4530. The high of yesterday was 4528. Composite also is going to come in once again with lighter volume. Yesterday had 1.554 billion. I suspect we're going to come in with probably 1.4 out here today. So the Nasdaq itself is going to be really weak. The SPY, the SPY, we take a look at the SPY. The SPY thus far has done 53 million shares. The high yesterday you did the 59 million. We're doing, we'll see how this basically handles this level. Right now you're at 199.11. What does happen, no doubt, is that the further that it gets away from the 199.06, the more probability that it would take a leg up. We'll see whether it can get away from that number out here on the next hour right here. The three Qs, the NDX 100, we have the NDX 100. That is trading up 17 cents. That's 17 million shares versus 21 million yesterday, versus a swing point out there of about 24 million. So it looks like the three Qs still are not going to do the wide price spread accelerated volume at all. Inside the three Qs, what you have is this. Putting juice into it, you have Mylan Pharmaceutical, that's up $1.70. You have Micron Technologies up 95. SanDisk is up 247, and Garmin International is up $1. Taken away from it, you got Staples down 33 cents. Whole Foods is down 53. You got Adobe down 96, and you got Mattel off 36. Gold contract. Now, we take a look at gold GC. And what this is all about, since at 2 o'clock, folks, the Fed come out with their minutes from the July meeting. Inside those minutes, what it was specifically was that they were talking about that rates may go up sooner rather than later if, in fact, unemployment continues to basically have a good picture, which it is right now. Gold contract, GCZ4, we have a gold out here. The volatility's in gold, but guess what? They can't bang it down. It's a beautiful thing. Gold got down to a price point of $1288.70. We've only done 76,000 contracts. Last Friday, we did 192,000 contracts. You're going into 225,000 contracts, which is pretty amazing. So bottom line, they can't whack gold. And in that context, when you're talking about bonds, check this out. They can't whack bonds. This is just amazing, actually. 10-year bond, guess what? It's down 10 ticks with 1 million contracts. That 1 million contracts, by the way, folks, is coming into 1.8 million contracts. So even the bond market, after even reading the Fed minutes, are basically saying, well, guess what? We hear what you're saying. It's, you know, you're looking at it may move quicker. Bottom line is that I guess it's what is the definition of quicker? 30-year bond is back 4 ticks, 265,000 contracts. That's going into 513,000. Now check this out. This is the trip in itself, and it's the dollar, folks. Dollar index broke out yesterday, wide price spread, accelerated volume, follow through out here today. You have 323 ticks. You're at 21,000 contracts. This is a ABC structure in the way up. It's a big one, too. Well, let's put it this way. You're at 82.26. You take this and you put this on a continuous contract. 85 is the number on the dollar. Now, what you're going to see, what we're going to basically learn when it gets up to 85 is that can it break that 85 level? We haven't been able to break the 85 level since 2008. And I'm sorry, no, not the 85, the 89 level. When it gets up to 85, I do expect that's going to break and it's going to go to 89. It's the 89 level. We hit 89 in 2008, gave it all back to 74, got back up there in 2010. And what we have done thus far is this pullback was minimal. It's been building cars out here for almost 2 years, folks. December of 2011 is when King Dollar started building cars for higher price. And inside that, what is amazing is that the gold contract hasn't got killed with, in fact, the dollar going dramatically higher. Inside the futures markets out here today, you have let's see. So copper's got a nice bid. Copper's up 2.3%. You get oil up 1.6. Gasoline is up 0.5%. Getting soybeans are down. You got wheat down, and lean hogs are down 2.5%. Pretty dramatically. We go back over to the SPY because this close in on the SPY here is going to be really cool today, folks. You know, it's either going to make it or break it. And when you're up at this high again, you know, everyone's the bulls and bears, I suspect, in the next, 40 minutes? Yeah, we get the next 45 minutes, we're going to have a nice little fight out here. So it's one beautiful thing. Coming up in the next segment, we're going to have our man, Mr. Andy O'Rourke. Andy's from Direction Shares, folks, and we're going to talk to him about a couple new products that they have out there. One of them happens to be a S&P volatility product. It's pretty neat how they've set this up. If you happen to be a longer-term investor and do want to stay in the market when you know, when volatility comes in the market, which you know when it comes in, it's fast and furious. We're going to walk through exactly how this product works. The symbol on that volatility product is VSPY. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFN. We have the Dow Industrials right now up 64. Nasdaq's up 2. S&Ps are up 7. We have gold contract down 530. Silver is up 4 cents. Bonds, 10-year up 10 ticks. 30-year up 5 ticks. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.